Fave man in the building, Dr. Kamete.
Yeah, and we're discussing a very serious topic. If you're feeling stuck, if you want to pivot, he is laying it down realistically. Now, Dr. Kamete is a strategic life and career consultant, a youth development and employability advocate, and a lecturer at the University of Johannesburg.
Now, Doc, I mean, a lot of us young people, we compare ourselves to a lot of our friends, right? What are some healthy ways to cope with comparison? And also, especially when others around you seem to be further ahead.
Allow me to say, it's even kind of a little bit difficult these days because we have social media. Sometimes we are not comparing ourselves with people around us. Social media has given us this so-called false bubble where we feel like we know Noni just because we follow Noni on social media. Yet we're not even close to Noni. So there are so many people that seems to be going ahead in Mpilo, and we feel like we are stuck. And I had to write these things down. I think let's start with social media. I would like you to self-regulate on social media. If you need to unfollow, I won't say me, unfollow Unoni for a month.
Why me? Why me?
Of course, I won't say me. And I'm not going to say him. He asked the question. So if you have to unfollow Noni for a month, please unfollow Noni for a month and come back. Just take a breather. Please don't unfollow Noni, but take a breather on social media because it can be overwhelming. And I want you to accept and be realistic. It's okay to feel envy of Usanele buying a car and all of that, but I want you to be very careful. Don't turn that, wow, this is so nice into why not me? Because that is very dangerous. It will make you go all the way, maybe uyokanga, so that you can get money or do stuff that you are going to regret for the rest of your life, or be depressed. Because there are people who are depressed, they don't want to see the day because magusile, they will see umakhelwane moving out with their new car and all of that. So I want you to be very, very careful. And I want you to make sure that you just practice self-awareness and self-acceptance. It's very important that you acknowledge